everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to solve number 18 of the AMC 10B 2019. The problem asks, Henry decides one morning to do a workout and he walks 3/4 of the way from his home to his gym. The gym is 2 kilometers away from Henry's home. At that point, he changes his mind and walks 3/4 of the way from where he is back towards home. When he reaches that point, he changes his mind again and walks 3/4 of the distance from there back toward the gym. If Henry keeps changing his mind when he has walked 3/4 of the distance towards either the gym or home from the point where he last changed his mind, he will get very close to walking back and forth between a point A kilometers from home and a point B kilometers from home. What is the absolute value of A minus B? We are given 5 answer choices: 2/3, 1, 1 1/5, 1 1/4, and 1 1/2. Now let's focus on this diagram right here. Let's call this Henry's house and this Henry's gym. Let's call the points that Henry is walking back and forth from, getting really close to, A and B. Also, let's call the distance from A to Henry's house A. And let's call the distance from B to Henry's house B. This means that we're finding A minus B, assuming that A is greater than B. Let's say Henry is at point A and he's currently walking towards his house right now. This means that he will stop at point B because we realize that B is A over 4. The distance from point A to the house is 4 times the distance from point B to the house. Now let's assume that Henry is at point B and he's walking towards point A. The distance that he has to walk is 3/4 of this distance, which is 2 minus B. So the distance from B to A is 3/4 2 minus B. Now we can see that the distance from point A to the house is just B plus 3/4 times 2 minus B. So A, the distance from point A to the house, is just B plus this distance, which we calculated was this right here. So now we have a system of equations. Now let's solve this system of equations. First, we can solve for A in the first equation to get A equals 4B. Then we can substitute this into equation 2 and get 4B equals B plus 3/4 times 2 minus B. Solving for B, we're left with B equals 2/5. And using that information, we can solve for A by plugging B into A equals 4B from above. So then we get A equals 8/5. Now, all I have to do is calculate A minus B, which is equal to 6/5, which is also equivalent to 1 1/5. Therefore, our answer is just C, 1 1/5. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Be sure to check out my other videos on AMC 8 and AMC 10B too. Thanks for watching.